Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I thought I would give you guys an update video letting you guys get an idea what's in my portfolio as well as what my stock positions are. As you can see up top, the current portfolio is just over 75,600. I had a very good week last week, 2.4% in the green, representing $1,770.04. And today was a very strong day today. All three major indices were in the green. The S&P 500 was up 14 points, 0.61%. The Dow 30 was up 232 points, 1.12%. And the NASDAQ for the first time has surpassed 6,000, up 41.67 today, representing 0.70%. And you can see from my portfolio over the last week, it's done very, very well, up 2.4%, representing 1770. 0.04. So very, very good week overall for not only my portfolio, but the markets as a whole. So I thought I'd just kind of go through my portfolio to give you guys an updated portfolio picture with regards to the stocks that I'm currently holding as well as the number of shares per stock. So up top, I have my ETFs, DVY, SCHD, SDY, SPHD, and VYM. And you can see they're all in the green today. And over the last week, they're all up about 1.2% or so on average. Below that, I have my pharmaceutical stocks. First, starting with ABBV there, AbbVie Incorporated. Below that, LLY, Eli Lilly and Company, PFE, Pfizer, and then PTLA Portola. One of my larger holdings had a very good day today, 1.6% in the green. Below that, I have some healthcare services companies, ABT, Abbott Laboratories, CAH, Cardinal Health, as well as J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Below my healthcare stocks, I have industrials, first aerospace, BA, Boeing, LMT, Lockheed Martin. Below that, I have some conglomerates, GE, General Electric, as well as MMM, 3M. Below that, I have materials with Illinois Toolworks, ITW. Below that, a couple of railroad companies, CNI, Canadian National Railroad, UNP, Union Pacific. Below that is a supply company, International Paper, IP. Below International Paper, DOW, Dow Chemical. Next category is consumer discretionary, automotives. I have Ford, again, one of my larger holdings. Had an okay day today, kind of up and down, 0.17% in the green. Below that, GM, General Motors. Below that, one electronics company, GRMN, Garmin Limited. Target, by far one of the worst performers in my portfolio, TGT Target. Below that, McDonald's had a very good earnings report, MCD, up 5.52% today. One of the best days I've had for any particular stock over a one-day period. Below that, YUM, Yum Brands, as well as YUMC, Yum Brands China. Below that, textiles, VFC, VF Corporation. And then below that, I have my consumer staple stocks. First, agriculture with ADM, Archer Daniels Midland, SYY Cisco. Household products, CL, Colgate, KMB, Kimberly Clark. Below that, packaged goods, HSW, Hershey Company, as well as KHC, Kraft Heinz. Below that, personal products with PG, Procter & Gamble. Below that, beverage companies, BUD, Anheuser-Busch, KO, Coca-Cola, as well as PEP, PepsiCo. So below my consumer staples, I have my financial stocks, BOFI, Bank of the Internet, HBAN, Huntington Bank Shares, MS, Morgan Stanley, as well as WFC, Wells Fargo and Company. Below that, I have one insurance company, ORI, Old Republic International. Below my financials, I have my information technology. First, starting with IBM International Business Machines. Scroll down too far there. Below that, AAPL Apple, AMD Advanced Micro Devices, INTC Intel, and MSFT Microsoft. Below that, I have two telecoms, T for AT&T, VZ for Verizon, one energy stock, XOM, Exxon Mobil. A couple utility stocks here, CNP, Centerpoint Energy, ED, Consolidated Edison, and SO Southern. Below that, I have a few real estate investment trusts, APLE, Apple, Hospitality, FRT, Federal Realty, O for Realty Income, and STAG for Stag Industrial. And then below that I have a few closed-end funds, GOF, Guggenheim, PCM Fund, PSEC, Prospect Capital, and PTY, PIMCO, Corporate Income Fund. Below that, one bond fund, BHK, BlackRock Core Bond Trust, and then a few penny stocks that I'm just kind of holding to kind of see how they do in the long term here. I'm not really doing anything with these, but DHY, PIP, and SDR. So that is my current portfolio, and you can see the number of shares as well under the ticker symbols as well on the left. So I haven't made a lot of changes to the portfolio. I have been adding to a few of my stocks, dollar cost averaging a lot of the blue chip stocks that I'm going to be holding for the long term. But currently the portfolio has been doing very well over the last few months or so, and as you can see here over the last week, it's done very, very well, 2.4% in the green. Again, 1770.04 over the past week. And today, very good as well, $604, 0.8%. And as I said, the overall financial markets have been doing very well. All three major indices in the green today. So that is my portfolio. Let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. How have they been performing? I think it's going to be a very good next couple of months here, especially with a lot of legislation focusing around corporate tax reform. If that does happen, I see a lot of stock buybacks happening, and I think I might put out a video describing what some of the good stock picks may be for some of those corporate buybacks. But anyway, that is my portfolio of current. Again, let me know what you guys are doing, and kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.